So right next to Aquarius is another Amel. So we're going to take a look at this Amel. It's a bit different than ours. That's a Super Maramu, and I believe this is a Mango.
The first Mango was built in 1980 and was produced until 1989. The length overall is a few inches longer than a Super Maramu at about 16.15 meters, and the waterline is about 12.71 meters. Under the waterline, there are some differences like the keel. You'll notice it's not a wing keel like the Super Maramu and the 54. And the prop shaft is completely different. The Super Maramu and the 54 have a C drive, and the Mango has the traditional straight shaft, which is much easier to maintain. The bow thruster on the Mango is very similar to that on the Super Maramu and the Amel 54. The layout on the Super Maramu, the Amel 54, and the Mango are pretty much the same, and that's the way Henry Amel wanted it. There were 68 Mangos built, and the price of a used Mango varies greatly. As I edit this video, May 2023, there are 3 Mangos for sale on Yacht World, ranging from $130,000 to well over $300,000. The Mangos are a great platform to start your circumnavigation. They are definitely a blue water cruiser, and you can pick one up for a lower price than a Super Maramu or an Amel 54. Now, this vessel is not for sale. This is a tour just to see the Amel Mango, not to sell this Mango. But I'll include a link below for the Mango for sale in Malaysia for about $130,000. Now, let's take a look at this Mango.
Morning.
Morning.
How you doing, Thomas? Whew. A little different than mine.
Careful.
Thank you. This Mango actually seems about the same size as Aquarius. It's not much difference. How long is the Mango?
I don't know.
You don't know?
16.
14 meters?
No.
Oh, it's 16 meters?
16 rather something.
16 meters, so it's the exact same size.
Yes, I guess it's the
It
same
is
size.
the same size.
Like,
Wow.
yeah, well, let's start.
So is this the original furler that was on the boat?
Yes, when we bought it. We bought it like in 2016 or 15. And it was the one which was on it. This is a system for changing chips. What do you call it? Genoa. We have a Genoa. We have a normal. In Germany, we say Fock. So
the smaller sail.
the smallest sail, yeah, and for
So a jib.
a jib. Yes, we have a Genoa, a jib, a light wind sail, and a storm.
Storm sail.
Sail.
Would you run your storm sail on this right here?
Yes, it connects to there, and you can just raise regular besides the furling Genoa.
Wow, that's actually a pretty cool system.
Yeah, it is. It's very good. Allows you to have heavy-duty sails rather than just one sail for 0 to 12 or 4.
So you can actually put a sail up that and then actually be tighter to wind than your Genoa.
Yep.
Because the way these things are rigged, you really can't pull something tight.
Yeah, exactly. That's the reason why this exists, and the sails are over here. Yeah.
Wow. Actually, I like the deck. The deck up here is nice. I like all of that.
Yeah, that's.
And it has the faux teak like we have. I like that. I like the way the deck looks. I really do. And it looks like it's pretty well maintained.
Well, we're trying to keep up with
That's what we all do.
the corrosion.
Try to keep up.
Fight against corrosion. Yeah, that's the front mast.
So I noticed here, I've seen this on a lot of boats where you can get in here and now you can like lock yourself in and and do work.
That's important because we don't have furling mainsail and furling basant, so you have to work on the mast to reduce the sail area and not moderate exactly wind anymore, but more. So you have to be secure, and you can secure yourself over here with a safety belt, and you have good standing with this system over here.
Yeah, we just push buttons.
Yeah, I know. It's easier, but well, you also have the advantage that you can do a real reef. This is you can pull this tighter than you can on a furling, I guess. I don't know. I've never had a furling mainsail.
The furling mainsail? We just push some buttons.
Yes, I know, but I don't know how the profile of the sail changes. We can pretty much trim the sail.
You know what my opinion is? When you have to reef in, you don't care about the profile. You just want a little rag out there.
Yes, sure. You want it flat, really flat.
Yeah.
You can tie this pretty flat. That's what I.
Yeah.
It's, yeah. Well, these are
your sail.
the 3 sails we normally keep.
Oh, you have steps so you can actually climb up.
Yeah. If you wanna, just go ahead.
No.
I just can make it up to the Sailing.
I like your deck lights, all LEDs.
Yeah.
So you've switched all those out.
Yeah.
That's another important thing, being able to get up your mast by yourself if you really, really have to.
Okay.
Not something you want to do,
Nope.
but if you have to, you have to. We actually were cruising with one of the guys that was supposed to meet us in Socotra. He actually couldn't get up his mast to get his main back up because his halyard broke. And so he ditched his boat.
Okay.
So it's good to be able to get up your mast.
But you better not have fear of heights like I do. Okay. Yeah, well.
You can get over that. We'll take you up mine. I need to do some work up there.
No. No way.
So.
Well, it's the same. This is electrical.
Oh, you have electric too?
Yes. This is
electric. Nice. You have a decent. Oh, that spins nice. I don't know why it was stuck before.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go.
That's nice.
Yep. So we can use this for all sails, both sides, and this one too.
So this is the main sheet. It's almost set up just like ours,
Yeah, probably.
except we have a furler right here.
Yeah.
Our furler.
Yeah.
Right there.
But that's actually easy to put a reef in here. That's no big deal.
Such a small sail.
Yeah. Really.
But I tell you what, I swear by this sail.
Yeah.
I use this sail more than this
Yeah.
sail.
That's a good combination using this sail and
The Genoa.
Genoa.
Yeah, Genoa.
Yeah. Well, that's our instrument stuff. Put on all of this. We have like a radar. That's actually the place where the autopilot goes. That's the bow thruster.
Oh, the bow thruster? Oh, you have a bow thruster just like us too? What kind of instruments are you using? Oh, you have the old good instruments too.
Yeah, some of them.
Oh, yeah.
Some of them had to be changed for marine. And we use a CEOS2 for navigation purposes.
Does this one work?
No, not anymore.
Oh, okay. I want to keep mine, all mine, until I can actually get them to work again. Because I like the analog versions.
The depth meter doesn't work. We only have a digital one. Meanwhile, in the beginning this worked also, but it broke.
Yeah, what we have is we have the depth, and our depth works, and then we have a forward-looking sonar, which gives us additional depth and forward.
Yeah. Well, there's no real need here the Mediterranean for this,
No.
I think.
But when we're traveling around the world, it's super
Something
nice.
different.
You go into the atolls and things like that, where reefs come out of nowhere, and they're.
I can imagine.
But this is a really nice cockpit. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Okay, thanks.
And you're Bridget, right?
Yeah, right.
Well, I like the cockpit. It's very similar to Aquarius. Almost identical.
Probably.
Except you have a deeper hole here. But it's just as comfortable and nice. This is nice.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, this is just wind with storage, sub, kites, gas, stuff, everything like this. Okay, let's go down.
Wow, this is
Start in the front.
almost identical to Aquarius.
Is it?
Yes. I mean, same place.
Yes.
You know, when Henry Amel designed the boats, he designed it, I want it like this. And so this was like his first, you know, longer boat. And I'm sure this was his favorite until he made the next version, which is Super Maramu, and then the next version, which was the Super Maramu 2000.
Thing is that I guess he became blind with the time, so he had a loss of vision, and so he had in every place where you need something, a place where you can hold yourself.
Right.
And that's a big advantage I find, and all things are sturdy enough to really keep a person. Even if the boat's rocking and rolling, you have places to hold, and you can stand and kind of fix yourself when you do something. That's a big advantage I found. And there's always a place where you can.
Yeah, same with us. There's.
And that's really sturdy. It's not a.
Very
Look
nice.
at the ceiling. We made that new like 4 or 5 years ago. Because after 35 years it came down, so we had to renew it. But it's pretty good.
Yeah, this looks really nice.
Thanks to Janis. He did this here. Yeah, that's the 4 cabin. We sleep here. Because
Oh, you guys sleep up
Yep.
here?
we don't,
Yeah, we sleep up in the front sometimes too.
yeah, we like this more.
More spacey.
And the wood is really nice.
Yeah, it's 40 years old, 43 years old. But it's still.
That's one thing Amel did so well. They just made the wood nice.
Yep.
And hey, I'll tell you what, this boat looks, I mean, this could be, you know, a 5-year-old boat right now. It looks great.
Yeah, yeah.
And I can see that they replaced all of this
Yeah,
as well.
this also replaced.
Yeah.
This the glue comes off and the foam on the back comes off with time because it's hot and cold and hot and cold. It starts crumbling and then it comes down and it's not nice. So
This
you have to
looks
replace it sometime.
Oh, what does your bow thruster look like? Can you see your bow thruster from here?
No,
Oh, okay.
it's a real hassle. It's a yeah.
What does your head look like? Can you open it up or no?
Oh, sure.
So it's
Yeah.
almost identical to ours. Yep. Just a little bit different, but not much.
How old is yours? 2000?
2000. Actually, it's 1999, but it's a model
That's why it's
2000.
called 2000. So.
Yeah. It's just like cars. They come out with cars a year before.
Yeah,
So you can
right.
buy a 2000 Ford in
Even
1999.
it's not 2000 yet.
Same with Amel. You can buy a 2000 Amel. Kitchen's nice. Very similar to ours, but our oven is here.
Okay.
And our sink is here.
Okay.
And you've got a nice place for a fridge.
Yes.
So you can put a regular, bigger fridge in, which is nice. I like that. My wife would like that too.
So you don't have any space for
We
it?
have a fridge, but it's really
Small
small
one.
here.
Yeah.
And then underneath here, we have another fridge, which is our
Okay, so
freezer.
yes,
So
we have
we
this
have
one.
freezer.
We have this too.
That's
When we're
better.
on tour, we use this and just stop this.
I think those are better because they're easily replaceable.
Yep.
If something goes wrong with it, it's not like you have to rip something out or get in, you know, and you just like say,
Yeah.
this one's old. It either be fixed and you can take it in, bring it back, or you can just replace it and that's it.
Yeah.
I like that.
And it's 12 volts, so this is 220.
Oh, this is 220?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not for being on tour. That's washing machine.
Yeah, I saw the washing machine. That's
It
nice.
goes into a.
But do you have a dishwasher?
No,
No.
we had.
We had, but we took it out.
Yeah, I have to take mine out probably tomorrow and try to fix it.
Okay.
Okay.
So you use it? Really?
My wife likes to have it, but and I like having everything working on the boat. I don't like having things that don't work.
Sure.
Yes.
So
Same here.
I'll try to get it to work.
I don't know. That you probably have the same.
Yep, we have the same.
That's pretty good. Better than
How many? Do you have 1,000 liters?
1,500.
1,500 liters?
1,500 liters, and I guess
Do you have a water maker?
No.
no.
So that's why you have more. You hold more. But we-
We could build in one, but didn't need it so far.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. So that's navigation corner. And all the stuff.
Very nice.
And here we go in the aft cabin.
Are your batteries right here underneath this?
So
No, it's a fuel.
the batteries are there. That's the diesel tank.
It's exactly like ours.
Yeah, that's
Very
the aft cabin. It's quite a bit noisy when the ropes go across the part of the boat.
Wow.
Yeah,
It reminds me so much of mine. And what year is this?
1980.
1980.
It's the hull number 9, Mango number 9.
20 years almost before Aquarius.
Yes.
20 years older. So this is a 43-year-old boat.
Yes, it is.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
We like
tour.
it. You're welcome. I can show you the motor, the engine room.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's take a look at the engine room. Thanks for the tour, Bridget. I appreciate it. What do we got here? That's a Yanmar, isn't it?
Yep. General.
How many horsepower?
Enough. We put it like Rolls Royce. Enough. Yeah, engine, generator. That's about it.
Is that your generator?
Yep.
In that?
Yep. It's
Masterful generator?
probably 43 years old, I guess. And yeah, you have to maintain it. A lot of we actually barely use it because it's just for the Mediterranean. We don't actually.
Yeah, if you're going from just local out and coming back, it doesn't
Even
get
if you're
much.
staying on anchor for a couple of weeks, you barely need it.
Mm.
Yep. That's it. That's all.
Mango number 9.
Mambo number 9.
You like mangoes?
Yes.
You love mangoes. What are you talking about?
No, if you eat them in the Caribbean, we were in the Caribbean, they have really fibers a lot. This.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish.